Well, I only record when my life's interesting, and due to this social distancing, we're gonna make it interesting. So we're on a mission. Lighting's a little bit better. We are at the location. This is where I flew my drone for the first time, and now we're gonna try to recreate that footage or just make the footage look better by flying it here again. Also, we're gonna take some pictures. As long as there's no bears, we should be good. I should really get a tripod. They say sand is a camera's worst nightmare, so I have to be very careful. Figured while we're out here, we'll record some B-roll footage from the ground, make a montage, and then we'll do some aerial footage and we'll compare. Also, I've been recording for about, I don't know, 10 minutes, and my battery is almost dead. Oh, how I don't like these Sony batteries. I really need to get myself a tripod. That was the second most stressful drone experience I've ever had myself. The wind was blowing so hard towards the ocean, my drone couldn't keep up, so it just kept blowing away. So most of that drone footage is useless. You know, in post and editing, we'll see. I didn't get the camera shot I wanted to, or the photo shot I wanted to get of the drone. I did take a picture of this mountain right here on this camera here, so that should maybe turn out nice, even though that shot's been done 1,000 times. Yeah, that was something.